was talking for 3 minutes straight and I wasn't recording. So I leave for training in 6 days and I'm starting to pack and just get things that I still need. And I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got today and this past weekend in Tampa. I'm not sure, I did vlog while I was in Tampa. I'm not sure if I'll put that video up and edit it. We'll see, most likely I will. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I got for super cheap, and hopefully you guys can find them as well if you guys are going to flight attendant training too. So I was cleaning my closet. I took everything out of my closet and I made like 3 piles. One for what I was taking to training, one for what I was either giving away or going to Plato's closet, and one for a pile for clothes that I wanted but I'm not taking with me to training. So I did those 3 piles, and I had a really big pile of things that I was taking to Plato's closet and or donating. So if you guys don't know, Plato's closet is, it's like a store where you take your clothes and they give you money for your items. And so I went there with like 2 bags of shoes and a big bag and a big storage box, and usually they just sort throughout what they want and give you cash for it. So I ended up getting 40 bucks for that, which is okay, I guess it's something. I was gonna donate those clothes anyways, so I got 40 bucks for that, and I went ahead. One moment, it's really hot in here. Hopefully you guys can still hear me with the fan on. But yeah, I went to Plato's closet and I ended up getting 40 bucks for the clothes that I sent. And so I went to Famous Footwear and I got these flats. They're Life Stride Velocity with memory foam. And they're just, I guess these are gonna be like my in-flight shoes. And they look like this. And it's super soft. On the inside, they're really comfortable. So these were, I guess they originally 80, but I got them for 40. But essentially I got them for free because I went to Plato's closet and exchanged my clothes for cash. So this is one of the things I got. I also have another pair of black flats, but they're like super thin. I'll probably wear them sometimes in training. Also, I'm not sure if I showed these in any of my other videos, but I have a pair of Clarks that I got on Poshmark. I got these on Poshmark for $35, and these are originally $100. And these are the Clarks with soft cushion. So I think these are a 3-inch heel, which is the highest heel height that you can wear. So I have these. I do eventually want to get another pair of heels because I only have these ones. And then I also, after I bought those shoes, I went to Ross and I just got this flowy top. This was $9. I got this cardigan for $9 as well. So when I was in Tampa, I went to the thrift store and I got these like nylon socks or whatever for. I also have a pop-up laundry basket, some Thai bean pods, and the last thing I wanted to show you guys, when I went thrifting in Tampa, I got this dress which was $5. Like I said, I might upload my Tampa vlog so you guys can see, yeah, you guys can see me trying these on in my Tampa vlog, which I will link at the end of this video. I got this dress, this skirt, so in my Tampa vlog, you'll see that I tried on this hot pink skirt suit. And I ended up just getting the skirt because it's really bold. I don't know if I'm going to wear this. It's like super bold, but it's a skirt. So yeah, all of these items were $5 except for the pink skirt was $7. And these were $5 as well, which I probably will wear. I think I'm going to wear this the first day. These like really long bottoms. Another thing that I wanted to mention was, let's say you apply to 10 airlines, because everyone says apply, apply, apply everywhere. So let's say you apply to a sweet little. So let's say you apply to 10 airlines and 8 get back to you and say, hey, I want you to do a video interview for us. So you do your video interview, and then 6 get back to you and say, hey, I would really love for you to meet us in person and let's do a face-to-face interview. So you go to all 6 face-to-face interviews, and let's say 4 of them you get CJOs from. You get job offers from 4 different airlines. Obviously you can't go to each training. You're gonna have to choose 1 out of the 4, and I don't know if most people do this or not, but you should let the other 3 know, hey, thank you so much, but pretty much tell them your thanks but no thanks. You know, you want to tell them like thank you, but you are deciding to with another airline. You don't have to email them a 5-page essay of why you're not going to training. You just want to say something and just give them a heads up. When I went to Frontiers training, they did, one of the recruiters did say like, hey, we know you're applying to other airlines, we just want to know if you're attending training or not, so just shoot us an email letting us know if you are attending or not if you get a job offer. So I just wanted to quickly just read, like, because I had sent 3 of these. I had sent 3 thanks but no thanks email to airlines stating that I wouldn't be attending training. So pretty much what I said was, so for one I said, hello, thank you for the offer to attend training, but I would like to withdraw from the upcoming training class. One simple sentence, straight to the point, that was that. And I just did that pretty much so they're not expecting me, and in case, you know, if I'm not going and they know I'm not going, someone else can take my place. Just like I was able to start a week earlier, because originally my training date was April 2nd, but now it's March 26th. Maybe that was because people weren't going to go to training, who knows. But I made sure that I told the airlines that offered me a CJO and I wasn't going to go to training. I just let them know, give them a heads up, because you never know who can take your place. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I just wanted to upload a video. I know I haven't been super consistent. I've just been packing, studying, and good luck to everyone who is in their journey. If you're applying to be a flight attendant, if you're just watching this because you want to support me, thank you so much. Shout out to you. And I will be back with another video, my pack with me or get ready with me for training video. That should be out no later than Friday or Saturday. And then I did vlog when I was in Tampa and when I went to Key Largo recently, so I may upload those videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.